comes to building lean muscle, protein is your best friend. It's the cornerstone of any effective muscle-building diet and plays a crucial role in your overall fitness journey. It provides the building blocks your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue after those tough workouts. Every time you lift weights or engage in resistance training, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers. Protein helps to repair these tears, making your muscles stronger and bigger over time. Aim for a daily protein intake of 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. This range ensures that your body has enough protein to support muscle repair and growth, especially if you're engaging in regular, intense workouts. This might seem like a lot, but spreading it out over several meals makes it manageable. Consuming protein throughout the day helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids in your bloodstream, which is essential for continuous muscle repair and growth. Think of protein as the construction crew of your muscle-building project. Just as a construction crew needs a steady supply of materials to build a structure, your muscles need a constant supply of protein to grow and strengthen. Without enough protein, your body simply can't keep up with the demands of muscle repair and growth. This can lead to muscle fatigue, slower recovery times, and even muscle loss over time. You're working hard in the gym, but without adequate protein, you're not giving your body the tools it needs to build those strong, lean muscles you're after. It's like trying to build a house without enough bricks. Protein isn't just about quantity, it's also about quality. The type of protein you consume can significantly impact your muscle-building results. Choose lean protein sources that provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. These include options like chicken breast, fish, tofu, and other lean meats. Essential amino acids are the building blocks of protein that your body can't produce on its own, so you need to get them from your diet. This means incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods into your diet, ensuring you're giving your body a complete amino acid profile. Eggs, beans, nuts, and dairy products are also excellent sources of high-quality protein. Remember, building lean muscle is a combination of proper nutrition and exercise. You can't have one without the other. A balanced diet rich in protein, combined with a consistent workout routine, is the key to achieving your muscle-building goals. While exercise breaks down muscle tissue, protein provides the building blocks for repair and growth. Consuming a protein shake or a protein-rich meal after your workout can help kickstart the recovery process and maximize muscle gains. By prioritizing protein in your diet, you're setting the foundation for optimal muscle-building results. Not only will you see improvements in muscle size and strength, but you'll also experience better overall health and fitness. So, make protein a priority and watch your hard work in the gym pay off. Now that you understand the importance of protein, let's dive into some delicious and easy-to-prepare lean protein sources. These sources are not only nutritious but also versatile, making them perfect for a variety of meals. When it comes to animal-based protein, chicken, fish, and turkey are excellent choices. These proteins are not only rich in essential amino acids, but also provide other vital nutrients that support muscle growth and overall health. They are packed with protein, low in unhealthy fats, and incredibly versatile. You can incorporate them into a wide range of dishes, from salads and sandwiches to main courses and snacks. Chicken breast is a staple for many fitness enthusiasts. It's lean, readily available, and can be prepared in countless ways. Whether you're grilling, baking, or stir-frying, chicken breast is a reliable source of high-quality protein. It's lean, readily available, and can be prepared in countless ways. You can marinate it with your favorite herbs and spices, or simply season it with salt and pepper for a quick and easy meal. Grill it, bake it, or add it to stir-fries for a healthy and delicious protein boost. The possibilities are endless, and you can always find new recipes to keep your meals exciting. Fish, particularly salmon, tuna, and mackerel, not only provide high-quality protein, but also offer heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential for maintaining cardiovascular health and can also support brain function. Turkey is another great option, especially ground turkey, which can be used in place of ground beef in many recipes. It's a leaner alternative that still provides a rich, satisfying flavor. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Experimenting with different cooking methods and ingredients can help you discover new favorite dishes and keep your diet interesting. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and marinades to add flavor to your lean protein sources. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil can elevate the taste of your dishes, while spices like paprika, cumin, and turmeric add depth and complexity. The more enjoyable your meals are, the more likely you are to stick to your diet plan. Remember, variety is key. Mixing up your protein sources and trying new recipes can prevent meal fatigue and keep you motivated. By incorporating a mix of lean protein sources into your diet, you ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients and keep your taste buds happy. This approach not only supports muscle growth, but also contributes to overall well-being, making your fitness journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Building muscle isn't just for meat eaters. If you follow a vegetarian or plant-based diet, you can still achieve impressive muscle growth by focusing on plant-based protein sources. Beans and lentils are excellent options, packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and lentils are all versatile and affordable sources of plant-based protein. They can be added to soups, stews, salads, or used as a base for veggie burgers and dips. Another great option is tofu, made from soybeans, which is a complete protein source and can be used in a variety of dishes. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for an extra protein boost. Building muscle on a vegetarian diet requires a little extra planning to ensure you're getting enough protein from a variety of sources. However, with a little creativity and effort, you can easily fuel your muscles with plant-based powerhouses. When it comes to building lean muscle, it's not just about what you eat. The timing of your meals plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. Aim for 5 to 6 meals spaced 2 to 3 hours apart throughout the day. This approach ensures that your body is constantly fueled and ready to perform at its best. This strategy helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing a consistent supply of amino acids to your muscles and preventing excessive hunger. By maintaining steady blood sugar levels, you avoid energy crashes and keep your metabolism active. Think of your body like a furnace. To keep the fire burning and your metabolism revved up, you need to consistently add fuel. Just as a fire needs a steady supply of wood to keep burning, your body needs regular meals to maintain energy levels and support muscle growth. By eating frequent meals, you're providing a steady stream of nutrients to your muscles, supporting optimal growth and recovery. This consistent nutrient supply is essential for repairing muscle tissue and building new muscle fibers. Each meal should include a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for muscle repair. Carbohydrates provide energy, and healthy fats support overall health and hormone production. This combination provides your body with the energy it needs to power through your workouts and the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Ensuring that each meal is well balanced helps you stay energized and focused throughout the day. Don't worry about sticking to rigid meal timings. Flexibility is key to maintaining a healthy relationship with food and ensuring that you can sustain this eating pattern in the long term. Listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Your body is an excellent guide, and paying attention to hunger cues can help you avoid overeating or undereating. However, try to avoid going more than 3 to 4 hours without eating to ensure a consistent supply of nutrients to your muscles. Regular meals help maintain energy levels, support muscle growth, and keep your metabolism active, ultimately aiding in your fitness goals. Carbohydrates often get a bad rap, but they are essential for muscle building, especially when combined with strength training. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice, sweet potatoes, and quinoa. They provide sustained energy, replenishing glycogen stores depleted during workouts. Think of carbohydrates as the fuel for your workouts. They provide the energy your muscles need to perform at their best, allowing you to push harder and lift heavier. Without adequate carbohydrates, your workouts may feel sluggish and you won't be able to maximize your muscle building potential. Complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly than simple carbohydrates, providing a sustained release of energy. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. Don't fear carbs. Embrace them as a crucial part of your muscle-building diet. By incorporating complex carbohydrates into your meals, you'll fuel your workouts, enhance recovery, and support overall muscle growth. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in muscle building. Aim for at least 3 liters of water daily, especially on training days. Water transports nutrients, lubricates joints, and helps regulate body temperature, all crucial for optimal performance and recovery. Think of your muscles like sponges. When they're properly hydrated, they're full and plump, able to contract and perform at their best. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and decreased performance, hindering your muscle-building progress. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water, as thirst is a sign that you're already dehydrated. Remember, proper hydration is just as important as nutrition and exercise when it comes to building lean muscle. Make water your drink of choice and reap the benefits of optimal muscle function and growth.